An bhréití stop a chuir leis an Meánoirthear agus idir thóir gach churann a bhuachant.
Cur Susfein Borket Sohake agus é fachta rístige Emily Cahill scór bháin fachtige Emily Garachíd an sa beidir mar seansar bháde an Sohaka an Council Cora Harris an Drasná be sé congracht an bolla ach dianta go ba ige Anna Myers Laura Gradegin Tunishan An Bhreatain ní lech scór bháin fachta chu ná de cúgla ná de héan ar chlár a scór caiisiad beidir tachtaníar beag ana bit sa chun Rachel O'Connor Harris an Drasná dianta Anna Yasake ríist féidir tanghála dhéanana le sin nach Oscailte san agus an Bhreatain titim sír Becky Ryan ha gobrú an a chruig beidir mecht sé an Tunisha a reach Melissa Lyons chun scór a dagus diantake. Well, I have to say you warned me. She is absolutely deadly accurate.
She doesn't need a second invitation. Yeah, to be fair, she closed down the defender herself, got the block in, and when she's 1-1 at the keeper, all week we've seen there's only one result, and that's usually the net rattlings.
Agus is Shelf reached again ban her. Féidir Laura Digan in Ishachar has spás ágáiltecha Istachle Alana Malani and Council Titir Dalavan Goshi and Tarna Irach Tashi Lorg Cúpla Cush came in Ishagus piece of bug spás in Ishachat Melissa Lyons it's all cheat ha bought a von Fachtica Hechar Shane Creedidach Shachsa Hun Var near event stop Elishin deadly that right in the corner goalie had no chance whatsoever and she was under pressure getting her shot away. Alana again did very well down this side, little hand pass off, and Melissa, like we said, she doesn't need to be asked twice. Anya Barry O'Horkiganson coming here Oganson last month the Chahar Horky he didn't have a six a cool tron hona and then bought the Squeaky Shaka Folike better Marchantele again Meánoirthear and so the Garachíd and Council got a Stachsely and Tawn August Melissa Lyons are reached well I'm not going to say it again but
yeah no she's having a good day.
Council Boltmach began Rossin they walked into again Bhreatain the mates and Diantica they fachtan Nishanson Shin Valerie Coleman and Stachalar Beeler Aished Ben Marchantele Cascora Hot at so Council Cora Harris and Drastan Brockball Order Henson again Bhreatain Beshad Sostel Shin Mar Tachtnir Björger Nisha Shulaka Shin Lorraine Collins at Den of Gama Susfein Borker Reich and Bhreatain and Son Federal Bode and Hot Crot piece of Björgnis Farrer Her Clara score agus Harris and Drastan Diantica and Son and score Shin a Chaim Shoe Shin Ivida Haney Eggleston Shin Valerie Coleman agus Shin is Stolam Shin and Fadog der nach Sheta and sa Chi a Haney le Nord and Cluiche a Buaicphointí agus an Crave Oscailte Camógaíochta Buaicphointí again Meánoirthear.
Our team actually is made up of Buaicphointí, Sharta Gales and Jumeirah Gales, and we spend all year battling out against each other, so it's so nice to finally get to play together with the best of what's in the Middle East.